Hey friends, the week's over, but the market's been moving like it packed 6 months into 7 days. Let's dive into what's poppin' in crypto, the market's explosive rally, how the alts are holding up, and of course a quick breakdown of the week's hottest news. Grab your favorite drink and let's go. First up, Bitcoin, and no cap, it's only moving one way, up. This week, Bitcoin smashed through $97,000, hitting a fresh all-time high, though it pulled back slightly to $95,500. Analysts think this dip is just a breather before another push toward the $100,000 psychological barrier. Oh, and get this, Senator Cynthia Lummis suggested the US should sell off its gold reserves and stack Bitcoin instead. Wild, right? Add to that some bullish vibes from Donald Trump, who's hyping crypto initiatives and even pushing for a new position in the White House dedicated to coordinating digital assets. Technically, Bitcoin looks overbought, but the bulls aren't slowing down. Brace yourself for some wild swings, either a pullback to $90,000 or a rocket right past $100,000. Ethereum's next. Ethereum has been climbing steadily, with bulls defending the $3,000 level like champs. It spiked to $3,388 earlier this week before cooling off, but it's now hovering around $3,300. Buyers are keeping the momentum alive, pushing Ethereum higher. The MACD hints at a bearish crossover, but there's still a solid chance for bulls to flip the trend. That 3K support, it's make or break for Ethereum. Over to Solana, the real MVP this week. Sol surged to a new high of $250, breaking past $225 with some serious volatility. Buyers are in full control and the price is holding steady at $250, but watch out, volatility could drag it back to $230. And let's not forget Toncoin. This week wasn't kind to it, with the price dropping below $5.5 despite some hype around Telegram's 2.0 update from Durov. Bears had the upper hand most of the week, but Friday brought some recovery. While Ton isn't catching the wave just yet, Telegram's growth could still turn the tides. Fingers crossed. What a week! Honestly, I'm struggling to keep up with trading and keeping you guys in the loop. Let's hope the weekend slows things down a bit. That's it for today, fam. Thanks for tuning in. Smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Catch you next time.